Hi guys, back for another video, and in today's video I'm actually asking you for some help. I've got some ideas of things that I want to do, but what I want to know really is what you guys want in terms of what you might find helpful in the match betting space. So just to run it by you, what I'm looking at doing sort of briefly, and then I'm hoping that in the comments below we can sort of have a discussion of where the most value might be. So we've obviously got the YouTube channel. I think we're at almost 1,700 subscribers now, so that's amazing. So thanks for that, because obviously we've not been running long on this channel. We've also got the website. The website's got a few guides on here and stuff, but I'll be honest, there's not much gone into it. The match betting journal, the actual journal aspect of it, was good for a while, but it got a bit too difficult to maintain it consistently. So that was something that wasn't going to be sort of happening day in and day out. But what I'm thinking of doing is I want to set up some kind of it's a subscription, but it's free site. So basically it's a site that you log into. You don't pay for anything. I'm not interested in anybody paying for anything in that way. And I just want to provide as much value as possible, have some kind of information in there or daily information. Now, I don't want to replace OddsMonkey. I don't want to replace Profit Accumulator or anything like that. I'm not interested in kind of going up with those guys. But I was just trying to think of things that you find that are missing around match betting. Is it like... are we looking for more of a community thing, or are we looking for different types of information that's already out there? It was just something I was thinking about last night, and I'm really interested to find out if there's anything that we can do. I mean, if there's not, that's fine, we just won't build anything, but I was just thinking really of how we can provide more value to match bettors in this space, and obviously being a web developer myself, I can throw something together quite quickly, and then just start adding it with content. And then the other things I thought of was like guides, more help for like new people that are starting in match betting. Is there some avenue that we can go down in that regard that might be interesting? But it's definitely not something I want to do to charge money for. If whatever it will be, I will do it for free. I'm just not interested in making money that way, because I think it's more important to provide value because we're kind of all in this together, right? So I think we just need to do it that way. The other thing I was thinking of doing was creating a separate YouTube channel. And that was going to be more around doing things like making money online. So it's not necessarily just match betting. It would be other things. So it could be things like affiliate marketing. It could be things like... I don't know, doing other bits and bobs online basically to make a side income, kind of running a side hustle. Because I figure we're all in this to make a bit of extra cash. So another channel might actually be useful as well, provide a bit of value there, and just, another way to make a bit of money on the side. Or it could even be like your main source of income when we live the dream. So they're just a few ideas that I had. I did tinker around with the idea of having extra content on this channel and having that as like a make money channel, a bit more general, less specific to match betting. But honestly, I just didn't want to alienate the people that are just into match betting, because I know a lot of people are just purely into match betting. So I was kind of thinking, well, keep this channel purely for match betting, and then anybody that wants to join another channel about making money in other ways, then they can join that if they want to. But these are a couple of the things that I've been thinking about. Like I say, the membership site that's free essentially, and what value we can provide to match bettors and what help we can provide. So if you're somebody that's either new to this, then please put a comment below and say, what you would find helpful. What are the scary bits in match betting? Kind of how the community can help you at large, basically. And then the other side of it is another YouTube channel, making money online. Is that something that we would be interested in looking at? If you're not interested, cool, leave a comment too. I'm just trying to gauge a reaction here, because obviously I don't want to particularly do things if nobody really wants it. It's just some ideas I've kind of been throwing around and see where we are. But let me know, guys. Short video. I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow or maybe the day after on Cheltenham. Just getting set up and lined up for that and what you need to do. Just some tips and stuff I remember from last year. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe as usual, and let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.